Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning, and welcome to another live trading session. We are Tuesday, March 14. March 14 already. So we'll see this morning if we can get the money out of this market. It might be a little while though. We're gonna go check. There's a lot of stuff going on today. So yeah, if you have any question also in French, be you're welcome to ask them. Donc soyez ne soyez pas gênés de poser vos questions en français. Si vous avez des questions, ça va me faire plaisir. All right, so guys, let's jump into it. And before we move ahead, let's see if we have some. Make sure we got some sound here. We got George here. George, hello, big news today. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Dude, my eyes are getting a little better, but still really red. So I do apologize for my vampire look. Um, whatever. But yeah. All right, so let's go check what's going on here. All right. Perfect. So first thing first, it's rare that I do the about not rare. I usually always know like what's going on news wise, but I don't trade based on that. But let's see the calendar here on Forex Factory. So what is going on? All right, cool. So Tuesday we got CPI. God damn. We got CPI for the US. Tomorrow we got PPI. We got employment for AUD. Yeah, there's a pretty cool, pretty crazy. But CPI should be pretty insane today. So I was actually looking for a trade for AUD USD, but I guess I'm gonna wait. But anyways, let's start first. First thing first, let's start with GJ. Let me just confirm that the sound is loud and clear. Can you guys hear me good here on YouTube? And by the way, as you come in, guys, on YouTube, make sure to smash that like button. We need to build back this audience, so any help will be very appreciated. So let me see. Do we have sound? Sound is good. Sound is good. Perfect. Thank you, George. All right, so let's start with GJ here. Okay. Let's start. We're gonna take a look at two approach on GJ. We're gonna look on the swing approach and we're gonna look at the scalp approach. Okay. So first thing first, let's start with the swing approach because we're gonna need to start with the higher time frame. So let's start with the weekly. All right, so if we look at the weekly here, we are still trending up. Okay, so we are still trending up. We formed this higher high and this higher low, and since then we're just playing in between those two zones. We kind of touched this zone, but never close under. So we're still respecting this low. So we're still trending up here. Okay, so we're still trending up on the weekly time frame. Good, excellent. So now let's move on to the daily time frame. All right, so daily time frame, daily time frame was here. Boom, boom. All right, poof, poof. All right, so bullish. So this came to low. So here it is the higher high. Here's the higher low. And once we broke under, let's use some arrows. All right, so we'll do this, this. Here we're bullish, right? And once we broke under here, we became bearish. We're still bearish. Here that we broke above here. Here we became bullish and straight back bearish. All right, so here we're bearish, still bearish. Here we flipped bullish. We got this double top, still bullish, and now bearish, and still bearish, and bullish. All right, so this is our low. Here there's a higher high, bullish, higher high, bullish, and here we're respecting this low. So we're still bullish. Okay, so I did all this, guys, to show you like exactly like how I see the market. So basically, daily is still bullish here on this time frame. Using my fib here on the daily, since we are bullish, I'm expecting a retracement here on the daily golden zone which we did, all right, which we did, and now we're just playing around here. Okay, so cool, perfect. Okay, so now we established the weekly, the daily is bullish. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, so 4-hour now. So 4-hour, same concept, right? So same concept here. We can start from wherever we want to guys start, but let's start here. All right, so boom, 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 boom. Here we're bullish. Higher high. We're still bullish. Actually, this is a mistake here. See, here we had an elbow here. This is our high, this is our low. So here is our high, boom, boom. Here we respected this low, so we're still bullish. Whatever. This is our high here. Actually, this should be here. Sorry. So this is our high. Let's start from there. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to do this slow, guys, for you guys to see. So higher high, higher low, higher high. And here we got a lower low. All right, so now we became bearish. And new lower low, we're still bearish. And here this is just plain consolidation, kind of, whatever. This is our lower low, so we're bearish. Here, lower low, high, lower high, lower low, lower high, nothing, right? And here we broke this, so we flip bullish. And here there's no elbow, so that's gonna be, it's really, this place is really sketchy. This place is really sketchy, because are we creating an elbow or are we not? So on the 2-hour, we're probably gonna see an elbow, but whatever. So we're gonna place this here, and this is our lower low, and here we got a high. So here we just flip bullish. Woo! This 4-hour time frame was sketchy. And this is if we count this as an elbow, which is kind of sketchy. It's not super clear, because when I got a situation like this, usually I try to stay away because it's not 100% clear and I don't like it. But whatever. Let's take a look at the 2-hour. 2-hour, you see that elbow. Boom, 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 boom. Here we're bullish. Okay. So 2 hours bullish. So, all right, cool. Perfect. Enough talking. Jeez. So hopefully, guys, you guys understand how I see the trend and how I establish the trend. Wade, what's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Wade. Okay, so weekly, daily, 4-hour bullish. So what are we doing, guys? Are we buying or selling? Hey, guys, as you come in, also let me know where you're from. Who cares? So are we buying or selling? That's a question. Come on, guys. Jeez, nobody wants to attempt to answer. Okay, so I'm gonna help you out, guys. We're buying. We're going with the trend, right? So okay. So now that we established that, Wade said we're buying. LOL. Yeah, man, guys that are slow this morning. What the hell? Okay. So 1 hour is also bullish. 30-minute is bullish. So everything is bullish. So I'm not gonna try to sell, right? So now let's talk about the swing perspective. Okay, so now we're gonna go back on the weekly. Let's see. A perfect, like a good entry would be like somewhere around here. But now it's too late because we retested previous areas of interest. Let's see on a lower time frame. Do we have anything? Yes, but it would be here. Okay. So the entry would be like somewhere around here. trade would be something like that. 321 was my 321 here, something right here. So 321. So a couple pips under the support, and oh geez, what did we just hit? Anyways, but this is just an example, and the reason why it's because okay, so if you look here, this is a retest of the previous structure that was broken, that was right here, which is a good area of interest. So I'm doing this. I know it's already passed, guys, but it's just to help you see, right? So this is a pretty valid area. You see support, resistance, resistance. So, and we reject this area, which is also, what a coincidence. This is 161 major QP, right? Also, so that would be super valid. Why the hell didn't see that? Wow. Okay, can't believe. Which is also a valid area also on the daily. Okay, cool. So now we go on the 4 hour. The problem is the 4 hour was bearish at the moment. Okay, so the problem was the 4 hour was bearish, and for more confirmation, I would be needed to break this resistance like right now. Okay, so I guess this entry here wasn't good because at that moment the 4 hour is bearish, and I want the 4 hour bullish. So it would be more around this wick here. Because once we broke here, we broke this resistance, it became bullish. So now let's see if we can find something around there on a lower time frame, right? Like right here. And okay, that's perfect. You know what? Because the 1 hour, this is our low. The 1 hour flip bullish, right? And we got the retest with a nice engulfing candle right here. Yeah, that can be a pretty cool entry. Yep, totally. But I missed it. So now let's see what we can get. So for now, what I would do is I would wait for the pullback on the 4 hour for potential higher low on a 4 hour and take it to the upside, right? So I'm gonna wait for something like this, okay? So since now we flip bullish, I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to flip, to come back and retest something and do something, retest something, pull back, I mean, and go to the upside. So this is something I'm going to be waiting for GJ. As for swing, now for scalp. All right, so guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. We should be like at least like way more likes than this. Okay, we need to build back the audience here. I need your help, guys. So please help me out. Bonjour Yuva, j'espère que ça va bien. J'espère que ça va bien Yuva. Bienvenue, bon matin. All right, so okay, so now let's talk about scalp. Okay, knowing that the daily is bullish, the 4 hours bullish. Now let's see what we got here. So for scalp, I would wait. I would wait for support to be formed somewhere around here, which is also a retest of previous structure, which we kind of did already, by the way. So here we don't have any engulfing candles, so I'm not interested. So I will wait for deeper pullback to take it to the upside for scalp. You see the strategy is almost the same, right? Just like looking at the lower time frame. Here the 15-minute is bearish at the moment. So yeah, so we'll see. So I think now we might come down into that golden zone. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking for scalp. So let's be patient. Let's be patient for GJ. And anyways, there's a lot of stuff going on today. So, I mean, not a lot of stuff like CPY, which is major. So we'll be super duper careful. Let's see here. I'm King Dominator. How are you? Hey, I'm good, man. Thank you for asking. I'm pretty good. What about you, buddy? Mounir, salut, j'espère que ça va bien. Bon matin. So, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So, as you come in, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification because I'm live on Tuesday morning and I'm live on Thursday night at 6 p.m. Eastern for Forex Talk over beer. Okay, so now let's jump into gold. Gold, if you look, man, like I'm so mad because, guys, did I call it? Like, if you've been following me for a couple of weeks, okay, I called this move down here to here, okay, and I said if we have a nice engulfing candle in a weekly, I might take my first swing to the upside for gold. My first swing on gold, sorry, man. Something happened, price shoot up like super quick. I was not able to take an entry, but this shit is playing out like perfectly. Like, look at this. This thing I draw that like fuck, like what, 3 4 weeks ago. And look at this. Okay, so now the daily formed that double bottom. And I was like, all right, so maybe this is my second attempt here. Maybe my second attempt is going to be the retest of this neckline to go up. Okay, since I missed this entry to the upside after that weekly engulfing, so now my second chance, that's why I placed my alert here, my second chance will be the retest of the neckline right here, and I'm going to take it to the upside. That would be my first swing on gold. So I'm going to be super careful, because especially today with CPI, but that's perfect. It might shoot price down, to retest that neckline, and I'll wait for a storm to pass and enter the trade, right? So that's what it is. So how's everybody? Where are you guys from? Let me know in the chat where are you guys from as you come in. Don't forget to smash that like button. All right, so now let's take a look at other trade possibility for the week. Ole, 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 ole. Sorry, guys. Sometime I got some stuff going on in my head. Okay, so now let's talk about the weekly. All right, so the weekly here on AUD USD, we are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. Still, now we broke previous support, previous area of interest here. We broke it to the downside and see if we can retest it. We did. So if you look on the daily, we broke, retest, and if we establish the golden zone here, we are right in it. Okay, so let me mark it down. Let's do this right here. Boom. Let's remove this. Perfect. Okay, cool. So we rejected this area to the T. So now if you go on a 4-hour time frame, I need the 4-hour time frame to flip bearish now. Okay. So the problem is c'est ça que je cherchais. Un coup de folie parfois, exactement. Mounir, c'est exactement le mot que je cherchais. Donc, du coup, il faut. Sorry, guys, I'm flipping in French. So basically, I need the. Jeez, dude, it's early this morning. Okay, so basically, I need the 4-hour to flip bearish now. Okay, I did place an alert yesterday night. It got hit right here, but now it looks like we might be forming this. Where is it? Right here. So we might be forming this. Maybe head and shoulder here, but we'll see. I don't really care if it does or not. I just want to make sure we flip bearish. Okay, so basically I need to break that low right here. This low right here. I need to break that and close under that for price to go bearish. So once that's going to be done, I'm going to go on a lower time frame and look for switch of structure on the 30-minute or 1 hour, and this is how I'm going to get in. Okay. Right now, the 2-hour is still bullish. 4-hour is still bullish at the moment. So yeah, and we see you have some problem here. So we shall see, but I think this trade is should be a pretty good trade idea. Plus, if you look on the weekly here, we got super clean traffic to the left down to this support, which can be a crazy ass trade. Let's take a look on the daily. Even the daily, the next support will be like at 64 300 ish. So that's going to give us a lot of room because right after this, look at how clean it is. Super clean traffic here to the support. And even there, after that, I mean, we got clean traffic. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. So I think this trade idea should be pretty solid. Let's wait here. So NZD CAD here, something that I've been waiting for a little while. Waiting for the break and retest here above. So let's take a look. The weekly is bullish at the moment. All right. So the reason why it's because I think people think now it's bearish, but it's not, because the reason why it's because I'll show you. Boom. So we were bearish, right? So we're bearish. We're creating a lower low. Here, did we broke here? Here we create a higher high. Yeah, right. And this is our low. And now we broke the low, right? So, and here we become higher high. We create a higher high. So this become what? This become our lower high, right? Higher low. Sorry, I'm confusing in English. Um, Now we form this here and this and this. So look like we might want to come down, but we're not bearish until we break that low. So we got a long way to go here. And the cool thing is here, this is the support that was broken, and now we just broke above. So now that's why I'm waiting for that break and retest to the upside. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Look at the daily. Daily now is bullish. Okay. So daily is bullish. We broke above. We broke previous daily structure, which is also an area of interest. Look at this here. Resistance, resistance, support right here, pretty valid area, which is also the 85,000 major QP right here. Right. So we can also establish that 85. Let's put this, which is a major QP. Boom. And we're gonna put that major QP right here. Cool. So we'll respect that to the T. So another confluence here that we're building up. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm building up my case. Okay. I'm building up, like, kind of building up a murder case, right? So I'm basically building up a case on my trade going bullish. Okay. So yeah, so now we got the retest as we speak. Look at this 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is bullish. And now what I'm waiting for, since the daily is already bullish, the 4-hour is bullish. So now what I'm waiting for is the retest, but also I'm waiting for H4 potential higher low. Okay. And where can I find my potential higher low? There's a big chance I find my potential higher low inside a golden zone, right? So this is where I put this. So if I get a higher low rejecting the golden zone, rejecting the blue zone, which is my previous daily of interest, and respecting the major QP, holy shit, that's a lot of confluence. Okay. So yeah. And after that, I'm gonna go on the 30-minute, and I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute to flip bullish. And once that's done, I'm in. Oh, Lee, it's snowing again. Shit. Let's see comments, questions here before I move to the other pair. We have time analysis on AU, waiting on H4 to flip bear. All right, let's go, man. Let's go, Wade. Good morning, Sasha. How has trading been this year so far? Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I should say, very solid. Very solid. Thank you for asking, David. What about you, man? Yeah, very solid. It's leveling up season. Joe, hello, Sasha. Please don't mind me. Just don't go. 1905. Joe, man, I can't wait for the morning that you're gonna send a chart. I can't wait. I can't wait. But taking a buy right now, like 27 minutes before CPI. Phew, I think Joe, you just deserve the trophy for the biggest balls of the day. Either the biggest ball or should I say it? Should I say it? Should I say what's in my mind? I don't know. It's not gonna be nice. All right, so let's take a look at the 1905. I'm just curious, man. 1905. Going long, 1905. At least this time you're not going against the trend. So that's a good thing. Because last time you weren't going against the trend. 1905, 1905, 1905. Oh, right here? Oh, shit. You already at the top, though. It's just like, I don't know. I'm personally expecting a retracement here before pushing up. So we shall see. It's CPI. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. But yeah, so at least you're not against the trend this time. So that's good news. What's going on here? No chart. Don't say. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna say it. Why I'm not trading because of the news? Yeah, no, exactly. It's just like you got to be super careful. 80 pips, cool, man. Cool, good job, congrats. This is where I would be like, all right, securing the bag and fucking running. But that's just me. Because yeah, again, CPI can be crazy. Okay, so now enough talking. Let's jump into NZD CAD. We did that. NZD USD. Okay, so NZD USD, we have another good potential here, which is the retest of previous low here, which is it's happening. The daily is bearish, which is pretty good. Now I'm waiting for the 4 to flip bearish. So same kind of idea with NZD CAD. Okay, so just waiting on that. Um, it's pretty much the same story here, so I'm not gonna explain it. Euro GPY. Let's see here. Waiting. I was waiting for the pullback here, which happened. And now if you look at the daily, we had the retest. Okay, we had the retest, but we're still. If you look at the daily is now boom boom. Daily is now bearish. So now it's gonna take more time because I need the daily to flip bullish, right? So it might take a couple of days extra. So I'm not gonna talk about Euro GPY yet. Actually, Euro GPY should be under. Oops, under here. What? Whatever. What? What's going on here? What the fuck? You guys see what's happening right now, right? I'm trying to move Euro GPY, and this thing. Oh, here we go. Finally, it was not moving. That was weird. Um. All right, Joe. All right, Joe. I know you're excited because it's the first time you're not getting stopped in a while, though. But it's okay. You're allowed to post those pips profit if you send a chart. Uh, if not, please, I'm gonna ask you to stop. Um, here, AUDGPY. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about AUDGPY. So AUDGPY now breaking this support, and look here to the left, man, super clean traffic. We've got wicks to fill. So now we just need to make sure that we get the retest here and we continue to the downside. So daily is bearish, weekly is bearish at the moment, 4 hour is bearish. So everything looking nice. So now this is, let's establish this here. That might be the safety net, or yeah, no, we actually broke the safety net here. So this is kind of sketchy. I'm only going to take a look at it if we do close this 4 hour, maybe engulfing. But right now, we're closing above this area, which is not a good sign. So I'm going to be patient with that one. But this is also a pretty good trade idea. 80 CAD now. If you look at it, 80 CAD, 80 CAD. Waiting for the break and retest here, which we're happening. We did close under, so we're bearish. The daily is bearish. All right, cool. So 4 hour. Now waiting on 4 hour to flip bearish. Technically, it should be bearish now, because technically this would count as an elbow. Yeah. So here we're bearish. Okay. So the 4 hour is bearish, but I just don't like this area here. I'm going to wait to be under here. Yeah. I'm going to wait to break retest this area. Even if we're bearish now, just look, I mean, you got to decide, guys. You got to decide when you enter the trade, right? I mean, look at this area. Do I want to be in the trade like around this area, which is like kind of effy? No. I'm going to wait to be in a better area. So, and Euro GPY, we talked about it. So this is my main pair that I'm looking this week. Sorry, guys. We got 20 minutes before CPI. Jeez, give me 1 second here, guys. All right, sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to GJ for 1 sec here. Let's see, 30 minute. Last 30 minute did close bullish. Last 1 hour did close bullish. Wow, nice rejecting here with a nice engulfing. Yeah, you know what? Can be nice here. Still experimenting, yeah. Hopefully one day when they'll figure it out. The day you'll be figuring it out, Joe, ain't gonna lie, it's the day you're gonna start doing chart work and sending your chart away and asking for tips. But trying to figure that by yourself, I mean, it's doable, but it's just gonna take longer time. All right, cool. All right, so here, let's talk about GJ potential here. So we got the 1 hour bearish, what am I saying? Bullish engulfing right here. We got this candle now coming down, creating that low. If we break the high here, it can be a nice scalp entry. But my problem is with CPI in like 18 minutes, I'm not game. I'm not game. Plus, man, look at this here. I don't know. I don't like it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really like it. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in on YouTube, please. Need your help to build back the audience after a huge ass break without streaming. We need to build back that audience. So need every single one of you to click that like button. All right. I think I'm giving you a lot for free here. So that's the only thing I'm asking. Just smash that like button, guys. Yeah, so this one's going to be a paper trade. If we break the high here, we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. I'm gonna open up my MT4. That would be a good thing. I'm in no trade so far. I took no trade this week so far. My last trade was, oh, by the way, guys, I did start back journaling. Um, so here is a couple of my last trades. I still got one to mark down, I think. So this is available. My Trixie is public, so you can go check it out. The link is in the description, I think, or the link is in my bio on IG. And you see, look at this. With 50% win this month, I mean, I think I had more trade than that, but whatever. With only those four trades, with 50% win out of those four trades, I'm up. This one was a three. This one was 8 to 1. So this one was 8%. And that 3.64 win was a 3% risk. So that means, hold on. So that's 3 by 3.64 plus 8. All right. So that's 18.92%. Okay. Minus here 1% and minus 1% here. So minus 2. So I'm up 16.92% out of those four trades, even with a 50% loss, which is crazy. So that's the power of the RR. Anyways, okay, so let's paper trade this one. And again, I'm not suggesting anyone to take this because of CPI. This is just for fun here, just to see if it's gonna play out or not. That's a pretty big stop for a scalp. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, you know what? I would place like under this 30-minute. Couple pips under, so that's a 27 pip stop loss. So let's aim for 1.5 here. Let's see. But again, let me mark it down because I don't want people to be confused here. Paper trade, waiting for CPI. Tornado, let's call it tornado this morning. Tornado to pass by before entering. So hopefully it's going to be clear for everyone. So the 15-minute close bullish, small body candle, small doji, but we did close above this resistance, so which is a good sign. I like this wick rejection. I just don't like this body. It's kind of a hammer candle, whatever. Let's see some comments here. Smash, thank you, Joe. 15 minutes avant, 15 minutes avant le gold gambling. Let's blow another one. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Non, les gens sont complètement attardés. Les gens sont fous, man. Sasha, beside NFP and CPI, is there any other events that are worth trading the news? Worth trading the news. It would be the opposite, Joe. You should not be trading the news. But hey, man, if you like to go crazy, yeah, man, CPI, PPI, core PPI, I mean, NFP, election day, those are a really good gamble day. Yeah, those are really good gamble day. If you're not, because there's people like trading the news that really study news and politics and economics, and which is great. If you do that, that's okay. But if you didn't study that or being spending a lot of time learning that, you should stay the fuck away from news. But this is just my personal advice. You can gamble whatever you want. Looked like this trade idea might play out, but again, we got 12 minutes now before CPI. Let's see. Meanwhile, let's talk about crypto a bit. Let's talk about our friend Bitcoin following the bank collapse here, gained like almost like what, $5,000 if I'm not wrong. So that was yesterday, right? Yeah. So following the bank collapse, gained like more than, yeah, it was like right here Sunday. Yeah, went from 20K to 25 almost. Yeah, so almost 5K gain on that news. Yeah, because people now doesn't trust the bank system, so people going to crypto, which is crazy. Uh, let's see, Solana 20. All right, all right. Man, I was so right. It's crazy when you learn price action, reading those candles and trends, and it all works the same. It all works the same. Crypto, forex, it's just like it crazy, man. Crazy. What about XRP? Yo, XRP is playing. Okay, okay, XRP. One day, this shit's gonna blow out. Yeah, thanks to SVB, yeah. For Bitcoin, yeah. But it's a pretty sad news for a lot of people, though. A lot of people are losing money right now, which is not how I want to make my money. I don't want to make my money from people losing, basically, which is kind of weird because Forex to win, somebody has to lose. I understand that, but it's not the same. All right, we are now 9 minutes away from madness. So right after that, we're gonna go check our pairs and see what's happening. Want to be trader all in the chat. Uh, David want to be traders all in the chat. Let's see here. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. Let's see at this trade idea here on GJ. GJ is so far playing out. So far playing out. So this was pretty simple. If you guys ask, like if it was like a regular day, I would be probably trading that. And the reason why, okay, so for people that just joined, let's me recap this trade idea that I didn't took because CPI is like 8 minutes away, right? So the reason why is because we got the retest of previous structure right here. We got a pullback rejecting our golden zone right here in between the 15 and 618. We got a nice engulfing candle. So what I did is I used the dogtail setup, waited for the tail to be formed, break the high, take the entry, put stop under. Because if not, the stop would be like under here, which would be a pretty big stop for scalp. And now aiming for 1.5 and see how it goes. So that was pretty damn simple. Plus, if you look left, I mean, if you look left, taking this trade here, we got super clean traffic, right? I can extend this TP to this blue line, which will be my ultimate TP for that scalp, or this resistance right here. But let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Who did nothing? What? Marnus. Making your money by winning while someone lose while the other person need to risk, basically Forex. Yeah. What's different than making money when the financial system collapses and screws people? Yeah, I mean, yeah, we did nothing wrong. Yeah, I cannot explain this better, dude. Marnus, that was exactly what was in my mind. So that makes total sense. Total sense. Yeah, exactly. There's a lot of people who's gonna be like, that sucks, man. There's a lot of startup company that their money's in there, just like, boo. Yo, it's not cool, man. I'm actually starting a new company as we speak, and man, just thinking like my money would be frozen and not be able to operate, I'll be freaking out. I would be freaking out. So yeah, it's not cool. Thank God, because I got money elsewhere. But like, let's say that all your eggs is in the one bank account over there. Yo, that's terrible. Terrible, terrible. So cash is gonna be king pretty soon, man. I think we're gonna have some nice deals on real estate pretty soon. So we'll see. I'm actually looking to buy one or two houses in Mexico now. So because the potential is really good. So if you guys have any suggestion or of areas in Mexico, I'm actually looking to Merida, Yucatan. I got someone looking for houses for me over there, but if you come across anything, let me know. Tulum, yeah, Tulum. Wait, yeah, Tulum. The problem is Tulum. I like Tulum, but it looks like Tulum is more touristic. But yeah, it definitely looks nice. I want to have access to the beach though. I want to have access to the beach or very close to the beach, like a 2 minute walk or something like that. Belize is nice. Belize, I went. Yeah, Belize is nice. I went there on a cruise, but yeah, Belize can be pretty nice also. But Belize is it's an island by itself, if I'm not wrong. Belize has tax breaks, really? Oh, that makes it very interesting. I know that Puerto Rico has some tax breaks, if I'm not wrong, but that's a different area. Right? Argentina is a much better place to retire. Argentina, I'm gonna have to check it out. But the reason why I like Mexico, it's because it's kind of close to where I am. I'm in Canada, right? So it's like what, a 3 hour flight. It's not far. It's very accessible. Mexico being close to the US, you have access to pretty much everything. Um, so yeah, it's more of the practical side of it. Plus the people are amazing over there. Just like Mexican are so great people. Like, I don't know, man. I just kind of really like it. There, friend there who can help you. He's there investing. Oh yeah. Ah ben ouais. Ah, tu me shooteras, man, Simon. Tu me l'enverras, ça me fait plaisir. Je vais checker là. J'ai deux gars là qui check là, présentement. Mais écoute, c'est jamais trop. Je suis juste en train de voir comment payer là-bas. Si je peux payer en Bitcoin, ou en crypto, whatever. But very bad economy and taxes, yeah. But it's all good. Okay, so we got 2 minutes now. Let's get ready for Rumble. Let's see the 30 minute here. Take a look at the 15. 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. I still think we need that pullback. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so get ready, guys. You guys got your popcorn ready. You got your orange juice. I don't know. Here's the morning, so I cannot drink a beer, right? But yeah, madness is about to happen. Madness is about to happen. Oh, what time is it now? What? They already came out with the numbers? No, okay. I was like, that's impossible. Ready in 25 seconds. Holy. GG is pushing. Oh, TP hit. TP hit on GJ. Let's take a look at gold. Gold went straight down and now pushing back up. And this is where a lot of people is going to get in. When we break this high, if we do, people is going to jump on that wagon. AU drop, yeah. Which is holy shit. Oh, the cat. Let's go take a look. Holy! Look at this. This is, this is why you don't take a trade, dude, before CPI. Can you imagine? Holy shit! We respected that major QP. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's exciting. TP it, and right after that, we'll go to break to stop. It's crazy. 80 USD. Whoa, that wick, man. What about gold? Gold now is pushing up. I would bet like there's shit ton of people now in that wagon right now. After that wick being formed, rejecting the support, breaking the high, yeah. But it's still, it's still only 1 minute after that news. So people one time asked me like, "Oh, why you never um um dude, I'm looking for my word this morning." He was asking like basically how I never destroy an account. And one of my answer was like, I stayed away from news. You know, there's too many people trying to be a hero and trading the news. I don't. I remember my first trade 2 years ago. I traded news. It was a head rush. Never did again. Yeah, exactly. It's cool. Don't get me wrong. It's cool. You see that candle flying. He's like, woo, so excited when it goes your way. But when it goes against you, you're like, you're crying and, like, fuck. Like, you got smashed, like, let's say, like a 50 pip stop loss, like in 1 second. Boom. Crazy. Yeah. So that trade idea would have played out pretty nicely. Now we should see that pull back in four. That would be great. Okay, so now let's focus on what's happening now, because now the news is getting absorbed by the people, and we'll see how it ends up. Now I need this 4 hour to close under this low. I need this 4 hour to come down. We broke it. I need to stay enclosed over there. So this one's closing in 27 minutes on the 4 hour. So that would be great. That would be great. Look at this rejection. Damn, son. Okay. Entity cat, I basically just need the lower time frame to flip here because we're already bullish here on the 4 hour, so which is pretty good. The 2 hour is bullish. Yes, we are still bullish at the moment. So basically, I need the 1 hour to flip back bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Boom, high, boom, boom. Yeah, we're bearish. Okay. So here we're bearish also on the 30 minute. So I need a 30 minute to flip back bullish. So I'm going to need something like this, boom, boom, something like, I don't know, this, and retest this, form support to continue up. So that's basically what I'm going to be waiting for. Man, I'm giving you a lot of stuff here. Je pense que ça demande ça à JS, ouais, mais JS, il fait pas d'immobilier, JS? Fait-il de l'immobilier? Oh, les secteurs, peut-être, par exemple, qui s'est promené en crise. Je sais qu'il était au Mexique dernièrement, il me semble. All right, all right, all right. Oh. Okay. GJ back on top here. I'm just curious because even if I say don't take this trade, I know there are some people who took it. I'm pretty sure. I'm just curious. Is anyone took that one? Il travaille sur un site projet immobilier. Ah ouais, je savais même pas. Ouais, ça, je savais qu'il était au Mexique depuis un petit bout, mais il se promène, non? Il me semble qu'il se promène. À moins qu'il soit fixe depuis un bout. Did you see AC potential sales depending on 9 a.m. body close below? AC 80 CAD? Okay, let's go take a look at it. Oh, yeah, but AUD CAD is in my pair I'm looking for. Let's see. Yeah, all depends where we're close here. Technically, we're bearish, but like I said earlier, just I don't like this area. I would like for the candle to close under this area. It would be pretty nice. Same spot, il vient juste de changer parce que ses parents sont rentrés dans le plan. Ah ouais, ok, nice, nice. Fait que ses parents, ils ont vendu. Nice. Ou ils passent juste l'hiver là-bas. Snowbird. Ouais, il y en a plein qui font ça à cette heure-là. C'est beaucoup moins cher que la Floride. Là. Puis, honnêtement, c'est fucking nice. Là. Moi, j'ai adoré le Mexique. Là. Okay. So, that's pretty much it here. Let's see. What else? Gold here. We might have that pullback. I'm kind of surprised though that it didn't It was a pretty slow. It's like NFP. NFP last week was a slow NFP. The volume wasn't crazy. I saw some NFP before, like going like 3, 4, 500 ups or down, like in seconds. Um, it was a pretty slow CPI here, like NFP last week. It wasn't crazy. It wasn't crazy. Like, put it this way, from here it went like 60 pips down and 50 pips up. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Yeah, it's wild, but it's I saw way worse than that. Like, so it was pretty quiet for CPI, honestly. I'm curious. Like, I'm sure someone took it. I'm sure someone took it. You can say it. I'm not gonna judge you guys. I did that sometimes, back then. Somebody was saying like, "Don't do this." It's the same thing as your mom saying, "Don't put your hand on the oven because it's hot." If you don't experience it once, you'll never know if it's true or not, right? So I think we all did it. We all did stupid stuff. So I'm pretty sure someone did it. Jeez. Okay. Unfortunately, I was not able to take a trade with you guys today, except for that paper trade one. Um, but you know what I'm looking for. You know the potential trade I'm looking for. Let's do a recap very quickly. So basically, we got GJ, right? That I'm waiting for the pullback on the 4 hour, because here we're just moving up. I'm waiting for the pullback. 80 USD. I'm waiting to close the 4 hour bearish here. I want to be closing under this support, and that would be great. After that, entity CAD, waiting for the switch of structure on a lower time frame. Entity USD, we're bearish here. So entity USD 4 hour bullish. So now I'm just waiting for the H4 to flip bearish. Yeah. 80 GPY is not gonna happen now, because I mean we're coming back above here and that's not the goal. I want to go under here. So yeah, so basically I would switch that to green. So those one are still not happening now. Same thing with AUD CAD and your GPY. It's not gonna happen now, but still keeping an eye on those three. But those three are more close to ready, plus GJ. That might take a scalp or intraday. All right, guys. Any question before I go? Gotta go. See ya. Take care, buddy. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Very appreciate it. Make sure to tune in on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern, on Forex Talk to a beer. Forex Talk with a beer. Jesus. Forex Talk with a beer. Yeah. So, guys, have fun. Enjoy the day. And if there's anything, hit me up in my DM on Instagram. Ask a question down below. I will reply. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and wishing you an amazing day. Take care.